Hi, this is Bhuvana Rajaram for Fluently, and the English phrase that we'll be looking at today would be bite the bullet. BITETHABULLET. Yes, you're right. It is the bullet that comes out of a gun. But don't worry, we are not going to be shooting anyone today. Instead, what does this mean? It actually means when you have to face a situation or complete a task which you don't particularly enjoy doing or look forward to facing, but circumstances force that you have to do it, is when you'll have to use this word, bite the bullet. Let me give you a couple of examples. Let's say you don't enjoy doing your evening jog, right? The doctor has advised you to go for an evening walk or an evening jogging, but you don't particularly enjoy that. Through the course of the day, you've been kind of toying with the idea whether to go or not. But at around 4:35, you tell yourself, hey, guess I'll have to bite the bullet and go ahead and step out and complete my evening jog, right? Or let's say, for instance, you're supposed to complete a report by end of the week, and you've been kind of postponing it during the course of the week and blaming it on meetings and stuff like that. But on Saturday evening, you get a reminder and for this report, and in that particular moment, you tell yourself perhaps, hey, guess I'll have to bite the bullet and go ahead and complete that report and send it to my office. I guess this must have given you some sense of what this actually means, right? History actually tells us that in earlier times, when surgery was conducted without anesthesia, the patient was asked to bite a bullet in his mouth to withstand the pain. So I really don't know how far this is true, but it's just an interesting information to add on to this phrase. So go ahead and use this in your daily conversations, because I felt that only when you start using phrases and words that you pick up during the course of reading or talking to someone and actually start using it, are you confident enough to start conversing using these words. So feel free to try it out and stay in love with the English language, and I will be seeing you soon with more interesting words. Thank you and take care.